Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to print on crepes, and I'll give you a helpful tip at the end of the video. I'm using these edible color markers and a piece of parchment paper to draw my pattern. And I'm using my recipe for crepes. You have the link there. Now you need to wait for the liquid on the top of the crepe to disappear before you place your pattern, because these are water-soluble colors. Now after you place your pattern, do that gently and press on it and leave it until it's time to turn the crepe. You need to draw your pattern on the piece of parchment paper just before you use it, so the colors don't dry. Now it's time to turn it. I will remove the pattern and do that gently. Now for any reason, if your colors didn't come so clear or you would like to add something after you finish, you can do that, but after you do that, you need to reheat it for about 30 seconds, so the heat will stabilize the colors. And the pattern that you use, you cannot reuse it. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment and hit the notification bell. And thank you for watching.